Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to add dynamic comments to our Framer site using the ReplyFrame plugin. Let's go to a single article page and you can see there's a comment section at the end of the article. We can create a test comment and it is going to appear at the comment section, right? Also, we can see and delete comments using the ReplyFrame dashboard. You can find the component and remix link of this file in description, and let's get started. We have a sample blog that I added on the CMS page. Selecting Add Sample Blog option that I styled. You can see in the single article page, I copied and pasted the component using the remix link Isaiah shared, which you can also find in the description. Before styling the component using its options, let's make it work for our blog. We need a project ID, as you see as the last component option here. You can click Get Yours Here link and check Setup Guide page. And you can see here, after creating an account, you need to create an instance in your dashboard. And when you go to your dashboard, you can see mine here is called Test. By the way, while creating it, there's a mandatory field that asks for a URL. You can just enter example.com or something if you haven't published your site yet. And under that instance's settings, I just need to copy its instance ID, and going back to Framer, we can just paste the ID we copied, right? Before getting into styling, I need to do one more thing, which is setting the article's slug variable for page slug option here. That way, comments are going to be specific to each article. If we don't do that, component is not going to be able to show comments that are specific to that article. So after clicking page slug, I'm gonna hover over set variable and select slug. Let's preview and do a quick test. I'm gonna enter my name and test comment for comment. And when I click the button, my comment is gonna appear on the page. As you can see, I can edit and delete. You can also see and delete comments on your ReplyFrame dashboard. When I go to comments section, you can see my comment is appearing also there. Let's also test if this comment appears on another article page to be sure. So I will click the next article link. As you see, there aren't any comments on this page, thanks to the slug variable we assigned to the page slug value. I'd like to also quickly demonstrate restyling the component using its options. First, I'm gonna make its background transparent by clicking its color and making its alpha 0. Then I'll make text color lightest from my color styles. Placeholder text color is also going to be lightest, but with 80% alpha. Avatar background is going to be dark blue from my color styles, which also controls background color of the input fields, as you see. Accent color is going to be light green. Button text color is going to be background color in my styles. For shimmer and shiny color, I will select light green. I will select Barlow for all the font options, since it is the font that I'm using in my design. Then I will add a 1 pixel of mid blue as top border, and input placeholder color also is going to be lightest with 80% alpha. You can see now style of the component perfectly matches the design we have on the site thanks to the component options. Of course, we can also adjust spacing, some paddings, etc. to style it further and make it fit better to the layout we have here, but I'm not gonna get into that for now. Another thing I won't get into right now is the review feature of the component. You can see in the section property, we can click just reviews tab to view it and view its options also, which is pretty straightforward as comment section, and we can easily customize also that one. ReplyFrame plugin is really easy to set up and use, as you see, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for adding commenting options to your site. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.